Normally I don't speak with many notes, but today I have to. This day has finally arrived, and what a celebration of God's continued goodness. God said that it is not good for man to be alone, and we are thankful to see Mitch filling that empty spot God has ordained for him with his wife.
It was that year that Mitch told us that Gord Ironside had someone he wanted Mitch to meet.
I have known Victoria for as long as I can remember, so when Victoria told me that she started seeing someone, I had to meet him.
Although we were sad to let Vicky go, we are glad that it is you that she has chosen to spend her life with, and we could not have picked a better man for our big sister. But you are her perfect match. You give her so much joy.
Well, today Victoria and Mitch stand before God, their family and their friends, and pledge their love for one another and their commitment to one another.
I, Mitchell Carey, having full confidence in the grace of Christ, take you, Victoria Dennis, to be my wedded wife.
I, Victoria Dennis, having full confidence in the grace of Christ, take you, Mitchell Carey, to be my wedded husband.
I promise to be your loving and faithful husband.
I promise to be your loving and faithful wife.
In prosperity and in need.
In prosperity and in need.
In joy and in sorrow.
In joy and in sorrow.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
Victoria, it is only fitting that you change your name to Carey. Because there are very few people that care as much as you do. Anyone who knows Mitch also knows that he's a farm boy through and through.
But he's one of the hardest working and considerate guys I know. Through the years, I've seen Mitch change, and through his friendship, I've changed.
Victoria, you are marrying a man who shows strength of character when it really counts.
I have seen the joy that you have brought into the life of my son Mitch, the love and friendship that you have given to him.
We are so excited to welcome you into our family.
Mom and I prayed for this day for years. And again, I know how much she had wanted to be able to celebrate with you. Victoria, we're blessed to have you as part of our family. Not just as a daughter-in-law, but as a daughter.
We love you, sister.
I now, as a representative of Jesus Christ, pronounce you husband and wife. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. You may kiss your bride.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
Well, I have the distinct privilege today to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Mitchell and Victoria Carey.